Checking the LPG valves for leaking of gas. I need a screwdriver. Yeah. And taking out this hose. Then applying dishwasher liquid on the nozzle. And we see it's leaking. Gas coming out. How to fix the problem, I don't know yet. And how we can see, only this one valve is leaking. The other valves are okay. Because it's leaking, it's a bad start of engine in the morning. I'm a very rich guy, I have a lot of tools, so I try to dismantle this second nozzle. Yeah, metal, expensive. I see that the nozzle is not clean inside. I will try to clean it. To clean a nozzle, I will use WD-40. The spring comes out and I'm cleaning now all the surface of the nozzle. Disassembling nozzle number 2 for best cleaning. Taking nozzle out with a super tool. When disassembled, try to clean everything. Put everything back. Put everything back on the car. On a supercar. On an Audi S4. Turn the super ignition on. Start the car. And check the leakage. The leakage still exists, so we need to change the nozzle. Maybe